In this video, I will show you how to make a customized animated subscribe button in the easiest and fastest way. You will just edit the template, download it, and then you're good to go. To start editing, we go to the website, or you can just click the link in the description box, and you will be directed to the video editing website, and start editing the template. To customize the template, you can change the logo. Choose the images you like from your computer, or you can download image you like to use, crop the image in your desired size, and adjust it to match the template. Depending on your choice, you can either make it a rounded edge, circle, or as it is. You can also add sound effects if you like. Just check the link in the description box below for the royalty-free sound effects video I made, and download it. After editing the template, you can now export and download your customized subscribe button. After we download our animated subscribe button, we can now add or upload it to our video editor and use it in our video. Let's go to the free video editor I am using, and try our new customized subscribe button.